by the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Rockfort again. The same story. It's Groundhog Day. Same names. You to escape prison or escape jail named Whopper. Whopper as in Burger King. Whopper. That's how messed up Ironman is. Somebody named Whopper that go send for somebody and box them up. Double Whopper. Big Mac. Big deal. Them named the 87 up. He recruited 87s from Augustown, Jungle 12 to be specific. Times like this would be really great if Nigel was around, kind of post them things up on his page. Rest in peace, Nigel Walford. I'm going to talk about Whopper, I'm going to talk about Augustown, talk about Max them. But before I go into that, tomorrow, I'm going to talk about another one of your favourite artists. Yes, bad mind one more artist. Mr. Story come out in a paper and say, Kabaka Pyramid show them get cancelled by a particular community. And me can't help but wonder, well on, they never say music are just words. Because I say the music push certain things that is detrimental to that community. Me tell them in a long time, some of the community them where you can't say certain things about. You can talk about shoot up the black, kill the Negro, you can call woman any name you can think of. Kill the bees and the hoes and the this and that. But till they say, no man, Irish accents, go and make the music man, are just words. But when you point those words towards them, things get spooky. DJ guy, now wanna say, are just words, but on the no sound of those words, but on the daddy, give on the leeway for push on the death and destruction within the black community. But then when they get carried away and start carrying the other community, then you are quickly reminded how this thing really works. I'll talk about it tomorrow. Woo woo woo! Bad mind alert. Kabaka Pyramid video. Sunday. Now as you would have seen, big shooting go on at Rockford, 5 people dead. Couple more injured. Mendes dead, him son dead. Now Mendes, I'm long time, foot and quote down there. I not even remember about Mendes. Because at one point he did foreign. And I think them still are foreign, but wasn't really keeping track. And the younger youth them at Rockfort now for them, I left go other communities to go do certain things. And by the way, let me say this. Enough time many year police come tell you say, or even the social interventionists come tell you say, this community has been quote unquote peaceful. The gunman them from that community go strike in other communities and then go back home. That's their idea of success. Tivoli Garden was well known for this back in the day. In their heyday, Tivoli man them used to wreak havoc across Jamaica. That's why when you look on the murder stats, from them time the Iron Man are brush 1400, 1500, me talk about in the days of Dodos and Zeeks. Them love tell about, oh, one time Dodos it about and Zeeks it about the place that them talk about in a freedom community. Man go strike and come back in. That's their idea of crime fighting. See, so what happened now is, let's say the 87 them come from Rockford. Then go rob and kill and draw away and bury body on the ground all over Ironman. But them now carry out the killings them in a Rockford. So here comes the social interventionists and the police from Rockford tell us, see, the place quiet, we are living at peace. Nonsense. I'm going to say man them well armed and well capable. But every now and then, things boil over and the violence spill into the community. Understand this, enough residents don't care who one dead outside of them community now. Them know say 100 KlLLY in a them community, but as long as them go kill other people, As long as them go far, go take away somebody like Jasmine Dean and Berry and Flingway. As long as them carry it far, then they have no problem with the KlLLY kill them. Especially when time KlLLY put on one treat. So, Mendes that foreign, how long? Is a man that used to have enough talk on the ground, but enough of them and they got foreign and decide say, they miss being able to just walk down the flour mills and in place and demand some money and make some, get that money somewhere to them and them not for nothing easy life. Still man to them are done and people don't want no trouble, so just hand over this and hand over that. Plus you can send for one man and box him up or send for this and send for that. When Mendes are enough older and realizes them new youth and really take no talk like that. Because them new youth system different from Mendes them system. Mendes them come up in one era where you need to link with the MP and then you have to go with the MP so that certain things come. Them new youth a chop line and do all kind of things and buy their own a gun and their own a rifle. Then they need to go through the old style of system. So when Mendes drop back to Iron Man and go like him want take over where he left off, it was always going to end badly for him. Plus incident go down and man blame for him side. You know that guy already. But you have a youth named Whopper. Whopper did out of jail and escape. They had Mr. Burger King in jail and him escaped just like Baby Killer. I'm telling you already, until enough of these police who make enough of these escape happen start see some serious consequences, then them not gonna learn. Because the people them who don't make escape are the worst. Iron Man is a place the police will lock up a man for one traffic ticket. And he can't escape. No care what him do. And then will lock up Baby Killer. Then will lock up Whopper. Then will lock up Sci-Fi. And somehow him escape. So me I wonder who them a watch more. Who they really are their hype on. And them don't even respect the Jamaican people enough to try and make it look like I want real escape. Them don't even respect the people to make it look like, alright, maybe I really want it. It is so obvious that they make the man them get away now. It is so obvious. Anyway, Whopper escape jail. Start link with the Jungle 12 man them. Him and Max are par with you. Always going to be a bad sign. Mendes and Whopper started them issue because Whopper claims say him want to run this and run that. Whopper claims say him have talk in a place and him link with money run off one part of Rockford so they want to work together no one. I guess Mendes did that talk like say, at the old time basis and then decides I'm going to show him say it's not. But like many of the attacks we see in Iron Man, them recruit outside help. And that help came from Jungle 12. August told man them. Because I go Klansman. Gone all the way. A Clarendon go take part in a Cherry Tree Lane. August Town, or in particular Jungle 12 man them. Gone a Rockfort gone take part in the attack. With the help of the local Rockfort man them. Because obviously them need to show them around the place and show them how to get to on this and show them that. Same thing them do in a grand spend with Bomber. Remember that case there? Same thing. We tell them about Bomber, tell them about glasses them. Same 87, same techniques, same formula, same end result. Chaos. Jungle 12 87s them gone all over the place, gone carry attacks. Police them know this. The most them do a pass through, do a look at Mickey Mouse, really make it look like Sharika go on, and then when a week pass and things blow over, they not now. Man then gone right back to square one. Though that's him know say police half time cause talk come out in the news say a Whopper play a role line. He might take himself a little bit, but them know police work already. Give 1 week or 2. Right, then go up on the corner. Life is good again. None of this is surprise to the police. So them know about Whopper. Them know about Max, them know about Jungle 12, them know about Zaba, them know about everything to the August Town. Them know everything. So a Whopper and Jungle 12 man them in collusion with Rockfort man them carry out the attack. But as you can see, them prefer when they carry out these type of attacks to get outside help. That way it's harder to track down back the man them. When them do them 1-1 killing, then man from the community will do it. But when time I do these big attacks, then get outside help. That way the 87 them can go back where them come from, and then police are run up and down and looking at the area to demand them. And the most they might find is a 1 or 2 or maybe the guide and them people there, but the outside man then gone. As you see with Remy, reach all the way at Cherry Tree Lane. We have to see how this progress. Because the people them in a Rockfort who work with the Jungle 12 man them to carry out the attack on Mendez, people start pre them back and man start size up back man program run and all kind of things. I know our man work already. Them say they can't catch Quacker, catch him shot. So things are looking spooky. But at the same only same 87s, in the same crimes. Anytime you see a division get a reduction on crime, I start check how much 87s gone to prison, how much dead. If I see some serious numbers there, so if I see some serious numbers in those departments, then I know say okay, either them are cool or them are gone to the next place and carry out attacks. So Spanish Town or St. Catherine North, I make progress. St. James, I make progress. Need a wallet more, but them places I make progress because some of the people them who them hold on pan and man were completely eradicated. It's alright to explain why you see this and that. But place like Rockfort, place like Augustown, them tell you say cool, then can't show you 20, 30, 87s where them get conviction pan, they cannot. Them can't show you 20, 30, 87s where them kill. Anyway, I keep an eye on it. Look out for the video tomorrow. Kabaka Pyramid. And theme situation I go talk about. And the whole, arguments and music can this and music can that. You really can't meet. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Walter squad, stay circling. Bless.